We're learning about the SBU Nursing and Mercy programs and just trying to see what we like about them and if we're interested in nursing.
SBU and Mercy, they brought their professors and their nurses down to give our students a really immersive, hands-on experience where they're getting to do things like take blood pressure and check out x-rays and insert IVs, insert shots into fake arms, and so they're getting to a really hands-on experience. Our whole class is designed around discovery learning. We want students to not just hear from us about the things and not get a normal, ordinary classroom learning. We want them to get a really immersive, hands-on experience to really see if they like and what they don't like about certain things, to really be able to make a good decision about what academy they want to choose.
It just kind of helped me more so know that I love sports and athletic. I always knew that I wanted to be a physical therapist, but this just helped prove that this is what I want to do.
The more hands-on and immersive and firsthand anything can be, the students really gain so much insight into this, a lot more than they can get from looking at notes in a textbook. We're just so excited. We're so fortunate that all these businesses and people from the community and the surrounding area in Springfield are just willing to pour out to our students. It's just such a, we're just so excited to keep seeing this program grow and just all the different opportunities that our students are going to have. That it's just such a unique thing that Ozark provides.